Hey there, it's me, George. This may sound hypothetical, but I want to take you on a financial journey about you. Let's take a look forward in time, and it's 3 years from today. Imagine that. It's about what you did to change your financial life with a simple decision. It refers back to the moment when you joined our founding 50 Trailblazers team. It's incredible to see how far you've come financially in such a short time, and I want to share with you the amazing transformation you've created and experienced in your life. Remember when you first came on board, you were hungry for a new path to financial freedom, just like so many of us. You had this dream and idea that you could make over $1 million in 2, 3, or 4 years without investing your own money. And you discovered this program that was free for the first 50 people that jumped in. It seemed audacious, almost too good to be true, but you believed in the vision and went for it. You started out with our simple yet ingenious 28-step process, beginning with step 1 of picking up a penny you found on the ground. It was all about gaining the knowledge of how to double that penny 28 times, and mathematically, at step 28, it added up to a remarkable $1,342,177.28, which you got to keep. You might have wondered, can a penny really lead to such wealth? But you took the first step, and that is what mattered. At that time, you hadn't learned how to turn a penny into more than 10 cents, much less than $1 million. None of the 50 Trailblazers had. The reason was simple. You didn't know how, but interesting enough, because of this program George created, all those ahead of you in the 28-step process had the knowledge you needed, and they were willing to share that knowledge with you for free, so you could use that at every step before you had to begin each step. With the knowledge of what worked before you started the work was 50% of your success. The other 50% was the fact that you made a clear decision and took action and completed each step. You had the courage and commitment to start, and that led to you completing all 28 steps. Did you find yourself second guessing what you would do when you were working with bigger dollar amounts? But you found it wasn't hard at all, with the secrets how to crush it no matter what the dollar amount was. What a journey it's been for you. You've taken that initial success of doubling a single penny to 2 cents, and then 4 cents, and then 8 cents, and replicating that doubling process over and over again with people sharing what to do before you had to do it. This guidance helped you master each step, all of them, and along the way, it became second nature to you. The knowledge you gained along the way empowered you to both achieve incredible financial success. You've turned that dream into reality that you could do over and over and over again as needed. Now, I want you to imagine the confidence and the sense of accomplishment you must be feeling. You've transformed that initial penny into over $1.3 million, not just once, but multiple times if you choose. You've discovered the power of knowledge and the experience, and you've used that wisdom to shape your financial destiny. But it wasn't just about you. You became part of our vibrant community of Trailblazers where everyone has supported each other. You've shared your experiences, learned from others, and together we've created a legacy of financial freedom that will last for generations. As you know, I had this huge vision to build a reservoir of successful answers within the system, something that will continue helping people for years and generations to come. That's where our Trailblazers team came in. You were one of the first 50 individuals who saw the potential and took that leap of faith. You not only transformed your own life, but also contributed to building a system that's changing lives for people every day and will last again for generations. Your decision to join the Trailblazers was a pivotal one for you and others, and I thank you and I'm deeply grateful. You recognized the opportunity, believed in the system, and became part of a movement that's reshaping the financial landscape for countless others who have struggled and were dying for help. So here we are now, looking ahead at 3 years from today. I couldn't be prouder of your successful journey. It's a journey you could imagine. Could that be the life you want just 2, 3, or even 4 years from now? If you feel excited and inspired at the idea, look deeply at the Trailblazer program. If you have questions, reach me at george@millionairesbygeorge.com. If you want to attend our live meeting to learn about becoming a founding Trailblazer, register at our next Zoom meeting on our website, about halfway down the page, and also share it with somebody. It's for the first 50 that sign up to the program, so don't wait. I'm here to support you every step of the way when you become a founding Trailblazer. May the wealth you created continue to flow into your life, and may you keep inspiring others with your incredible success story. You are a true Trailblazer, and together, we're rewriting the path to prosperity for all you want and dream about.